Yeah, start, Noor.
Okay. Article: Researchers find better way to calculate dog age. A new study published in Cell Systems has found a more accurate way to translate dog years into human years. The commonly held belief has been that every year of a dog's life is the same as 7 years in a human life. So if your dog is 3 years old, it would be the same age as a 21-year-old human. Interesting. But researchers from the University of California, San Diego School of Medicine have debunked that belief. A 9-month-old dog can have puppies. So we already knew that the 1 to 7 ratio wasn't an accurate measure of age, said senior author Trier Adiker. Um, the study looked at 104 Labradors who were up to 16 years old and used blood samples to calculate how old their genes were by comparing them to the genes of 320 humans of known ages. Over to you, Rajiv.
Yes, Rajiv, you can start from
Thank you.
again. You can start from beginning also because we need to remember this story again.
Okay.
Okay, okay. So, a new study published in Cell System has found a more accurate way to translate dog years into human years. So, the commonly held belief has been that every year of a dog's life is the same as 7 years in the human life. So, if your dog is 3 year old, it would be the same age as 21-year-old human. But researchers from the University of California, Diego School, uh, San Diego School of Medicine have debunked that belief. A 9-month-old dog can have puppies, so we already knew that the 1 to 7 ratio wasn't a accurate measure of the age. Wow, said senior author Trey Ideker. The study looked at 104 Labradors who were up to 16 years old and used blood samples to calculate how old their genes were by comparing them to the genes of 320 human of known age.
So yes, Rajendra, uh, start from researcher. Rajendra. So Rakesh, Aziz.
Yes,
Actually,
Mohammed.
you can start reading from here only. The researcher then used to this data. You can start.
Okay, just 2 seconds. Huh? Just a 2 second only. Just a wait. 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 Okay. So I should start from here. Huh? The researcher then used the data to create a formula that shows how dogs' year translate into human years. It shows that dogs age faster than they are younger. And this again slow down by the times they are 7 year old. According to the formula, a 1 year old dog is the same genetic as a 30-year-old woman, whereas a 4 year old dog is the same genetic as a 52-year-old woman. Wow. This is a month older than the would be the expected with the 1 to 7 ratio. I have a 6 year old dog. She still run with me, but I'm now realize that she is not a younger as I thought she was. Okay, LDR said. This researcher could be important for veterinarians who often use the 1 to 7 ratio to treat dogs. The formula is also the first that can be used with other species like mice and humans. What is it? Edekar?
Idekar.
Edekar is the name of that researcher, right?
Yes, who is written these articles?
Oh, nice. So yeah, said that it could be. For example, the ability of a measure your genes age to see how to change while using anti-aging aging product.
Anti-aging, anti-aging products.
Anti-aging product. Now, okay, Noor,
Aging. It's aging
aging,
like our
aging.
age. Anti-aging products, those products which reduce our age by using them. So anti-aging products. Okay.
Okay. There are lots of anti-aging product out there this day, Erika said, but how to do? How do you know if product will truly extended your life without waiting 40 years or so?
Okay, thank you.
Okay, it's a very difficult article and it's very hard to understand it
Yeah,
properly.
so we will. That's why if we go through these articles again and again, it will
Hmm.
be easy
So
for
I
us.
guess we should read this. Have you people perceived all the things? I didn't
I
because
also actually I also didn't get this article properly.
actually
Yeah,
let
I
me tell
got
you first.
60 to 70%.
Okay,
Yes.
let me tell you a little bit about the stories of the cats and the dogs. That they are actually, if a cat is 3 years old, that means more human life. Yeah, like the genes, the age is more like a old human. So this is the thing, and the researchers do researches on that, and this thing told me by my friend who was a pet lover too. So I know this thing before, but this is interesting. I think we should go through this again so that we could better understand in a slow manner, so we all
Yeah,
can perceive it.
that's why I'm telling you now. Now we are what we'll do. We are going to 1 minute.
But I just want to know why it is only the 1:7 ratio. I see everywhere in this. If you will take the ability of animal in compared to the human to the monkey, they are saying seven ratio better they are. If you are taking the why they are only taking the 7 ratio. For example, if you are taking the understanding ability of a man and woman, they are taking the 7 ratio. Why it is everywhere the 7 ratio?
Huh? Huh?
Now here we
Man
are
and
again.
woman 7 ratio?
Well,
I don't believe so.
Oh, you didn't see. Actually, I didn't hear you. Can you please repeat it in a precise manner?
Raju, what you are not understanding that no, I think it's this is a not good platform where I have to share. Okay, whatever, but I'm going to share. Okay, Raju, you are there.
Yes, I am.
Okay, now I'm talking about the 7 ratio. That is 7 times more. The girls, yeah, the women have the sex power in compared to the men. I'm saying this, and this is a
Okay.
scientifically defined. So
Okay.
I see now I'm seeing this article. They are trying to say the ratio of a 1 year of a dog and you can say 8 year of a human. They are the equal ability of thinking, equal ability of understanding. This means to say the article so I totally everywhere I see they are taking, yeah, they are giving the 7 ratio. Why everywhere the 7 ratio? I'm not understanding.
Okay, we didn't actually read about that. So we have you people read that, so you can answer Aziz if you want to, or we
So,
can go through
Aziz,
this
it's
article.
not proven that it's a 7-year ratio. Even in the third paragraph, it's mentioned that a 9-month-old
Nine-month
dog can
old
have
dog can have
puppies.
puppies. So we
So
already
it
knew.
means a 9 month at least. It's around 1 year. 1 year dog. It means 7 years human, right? 7 year human being cannot. I mean, I don't know, but
Yeah,
at least it's not as
possible.
per our rule.
So yeah, Rajiv. Now what we'll do? Rajendra is remaining. So what we'll do now? This first paragraph and second paragraph will be written. Will read by Rajendra. After these two paragraph, when he read, he explain these two paragraph only. So it will, yeah.
Nice.
So that will be very easy for us to can understand this two only. If we understand two paragraph, it will be easy for us to answer for this question also. So we'll go this one by one only because we have only 6 members is there. Still 3 members is remaining, including me. So Rajendra, you can continue with first Mansu also. Yeah, Rajendra, you can start.
Okay. So researchers find better way to calculate dog age. Uh, a new study, published in a Cell System has found a more accurate way to translate dog years into human years. The commonly held belief has been that every year the dog's life is the same as the 7 years of human life. So if your dog is a 3-year-old, it would be the same age as a 21-year-old human.
Yes.
So I think, yeah, they are relating that 3 years old dog is equivalent to 21 years old man. So this is a age calculation system comparing dog and human.
Rajendra, what do you understand in the way of only the age gap? You want to say the ability of thinking, you're understanding the thing that you're genetic.
Actually, as per the word, it seems that they are calculate dog with the man's age, comparing dog and
comparing in which way? In which way?
They are comparing dog age with respect to human age, human years.
No, but Ajay is asking in which aspect you are talking. But just in case of it's talking about the cell system. So
Yeah,
it
cell
means
system, yeah.
overall growth of the dog. And suppose you I mean there is a baby born in your house, in your home, and there is a puppy. So now you can think of if baby is old is 1 year old, it means your dog is already in 1 year. What growth your baby would do, same, I mean in the 1:7 ratio. So in the 7 year, what growth your baby will do, same growth a dog will do in just 3 years, not 1 year.
1 year.
Now it is
Yeah.
come to that is talking about the
Yes.
genetic, right? Genetic. Okay.
Yeah, overall growth. What I understand.
Yeah, so what we understand, yeah, this is right.
We also think in this scenario, if our like we can relate it, our human baby is more dependent on the parents than animal baby. Like animal baby get matured before our human baby. 3 to 4 years initial we have to take care everything, but in a month or a two, animal dog's baby enough mature that he can start walking and eating by own. So we can see this in this scenario too. Am I right?
Yes, you are right.
Yes,
but actually,
yes.
yes, we are. But actually, here what they will see means this is a right this is a writer Trey identical what he is saying. He is only this article he is calculating dog age with respect to the man's age.
Yeah.
Human age. So we are discussing these things. So what we now Rajiv tell has very 1:7 ratio. We have found it. A 9-month-old dog can have means there is a 1:7 ratio was not an accurate measure of age. So if you are looking for, if you see this paragraph, if your dog is 3 years old, it will be same age as a 20 years old woman. So what we understand, if the dog age is 1 year, so then woman age is 7 years, right or not?
Yeah.
So this is called 1:7 ratio.
Yeah.
So now coming to the third paragraph, but we understand this first, na? First to second paragraph, we understand that if dog age is 3 years old, it will be same age as a 20 years old. This is a commonly people are believing that. People are here mentioned that the commonly held the belief they are people are believing in these things. If your dog is 3 years old, but here Trey Edgar is denying these things. What he is saying, okay, 1:7 ratio was not an accurate measure of age.
Yes, that is yeah. That is I'm trying to say. This is just imagine. This is not accurate.
Yeah. So
it's just near to be.
Yeah. So what in third paragraph? But researchers from the University of California, San Diego School of Medicine have debunked that belief. A 9-month-old dog can have puppies. So we already knew that the 1:7 ratio wasn't an accurate measure of age, said senior author Trey Idker.
What dogs and cats?
So there is some research. There is some research is going on. The University of California, San Diego School of Medicine, they are debunk means what? They are not agree with this. If you see the meaning of debunk here, several if you see, so that an idea, belief, claim, it is a false. They are not believing in this. They consider this. One example is given. Several study have debunked the myth that that boys are better at math than girls. Means debunk. You guys understand what is the meaning of debunk here?
False,
Yeah. So this
false
belief
belief.
is false. Yeah. This is a false belief that 9-month-old dog can have puppies. So we already know that the 1:7 ratio was not an accurate measure of age. That will be said by the Trey Adker.
Yeah, Muhammad, this is absolutely true. But you know, you can this is understanding by your own common sense that a man can be live a maximum of 90 year, 80 year, but a dog can be live a maximum maybe 20 year, 15 year, 16 year. Maximum year can live a dog. Okay, so the 20 year of a dog, it means that is just equal to the maximum age of a 90 year of a human being. This is just, you can say, according to the ratio they can be equal. So we can say a dog cannot be a maximum year for 20. That is the 20 year is a maximum of a dog life. So the 20 year is the maximum of dog. So human being the maximum year is 90 years. So that's are equal, 20 year of a dog and 90 year of a human being. So from this through we can easily understanding, yeah, 1 year of a dog, it will be equal to the 7 year, 14 year of a boy, in the sense of genetic, in the sense of understanding, in the sense of like, yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Carry on, yeah.
So who will come for the fourth paragraph?
I want to volunteer if you people have no issue.
Let me check. Thama Lingam.
Hi, everyone. I've been listening to your arguments, and I think that all of you have been arguing greatly, and some of you have given good answers. And in my opinion, when it comes to biological make, there's a big difference between human and animals, and the maturity between human and animals are quite different. Can you guys hear me?
Yes, you have to read fourth paragraph, I think. Yeah.
In fourth paragraph, is it?
Yeah.
Top one that is visible. And top one that is
Okay.
visible.
This is much older than would be expected with the 1:7 ratio. I have a 6-year-old dog. That's the fourth paragraph, is it?
Top one.
You mean the first paragraph?
Yeah.
Okay. The study looked at 104 Labradors who were up to 16 years old and used blood samples to calculate how old their genes were by comparing them to the genes of 320 humans of known ages. Do I have to continue?
No, you have to understand that paragraph also to us.
You mean I have to explain what these paragraphs are about?
Yes.
Is it? Okay. So it talks about they compared 104 laborers who were up to 16 years old and used blood samples to calculate. So they have tested the dogs to identify, and I think they compared human genes, is it? If I'm not wrong, of 300.
Yes, Mansu, you can answer. You can take this one.
So this paragraph, the uppermost.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. The study looked at 104 Labradors who were up to 16 years old and used blood samples to calculate how old their genes were by comparing them to the genes of 320 humans of known age. Um,
Oh, everyone sounding like that. Oh,
So the study look at 104 Labradors. What is the meaning of Labradors? I mean, so
I think
Maybe it's
it
laboratory.
is
a
a
breed
breed,
of
Labrador,
breed
dog.
of dog.
Labrador.
Labrador. Yeah,
Yeah, it's
it's
a
a
breed
breed
of
of dog.
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 Oh, okay, yeah, that's a breed of dog. Uh-huh. So the study look at 104 Labradors who were up to 16 years old. So who were 16 years old means dog.
Yes, they are talking of the. Actually, they are taking examples of 104 dogs that are Labrador for 16 years old age.
And use blood samples to calculate how old their genes were by comparing them to the genes of 320 humans of non-age. So yes, means they
And
are.
Let
these.
me, can I
Yes,
explain this? No,
yes,
Rajendra,
yes,
if you
sure.
want to.
No, no, sure, sure, sure. You.
That means the people took 104 Labradors of 16 age, like those who have 16 age. Okay, we understand this, and took the sample and compare with the random humans. Those, they don't know the age of the human exactly. 320 humans, maybe some humans of them are child, old age people, or youngsters. Okay, 320 people are a human of known age. No, known age. Known age means they know the age, right? I just thought that this is unknown of age. Calculating how old their genes were by comparing them to the genes of the 320 humans of known age. They people know the age of the humans. So sorry for that. Okay, now Mohammed, now you get the point.
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay.
So now fifth one. If anyone can start fifth paragraph. This paragraph. Anyone can start this one.
Okay. So shall I start?
Yes.
The researchers then used this data to create a formula that shows how dog years translate into human years. It shows that dogs age faster when they are younger, and this aging slows down by the time they
Yeah.
are 7 years old.
So
Are you getting
so this
each
is
of you?
yeah, yeah. This is
Okay, so I think there is no need to
okay.
explain this.
No, you can explain. No problem.
Okay, and that means researchers then use this data to create formulas. And then on the basis of that, of Labradors and research, and they create a formula that shows how dogs' years translate into human years. That how it's possible to compare the both dogs and the humans. It shows that when the dogs are younger, so the aging. It shows that dogs faster when, yeah, it's exactly the way I just explained before, that childs and the puppy and the human child. Okay, so that means when the dog is little bit in less of the age, so the uh, he is growing faster. But when the dog is of 7 years old, the age process is slow down. So after 7 years, a dog slowly grow. Mm-hmm.
Yes, that's right. Yeah, Rajiv. According to the formula, Rajiv. Yeah,
There is some noise from my side, so I'll go next.
yeah. So okay, about me. So according to the formula, uh, a 1 year old dog is the same genetic age as a 30 years old human. A 1 year old dog is the same genetic age as a 30 years old human, whereas 4 years old dog is the same genetic age as a 50 years old woman. So they had here they are creating one formula about uh, means for calculating genetic age of human as well as dogs. So here they are saying that 1-year-old dog is the same genetic age as 30 years old. Means year of dog, 1-year dog is same as genetic age of 30 years old, and 4-year dog is the same genetic age of a 50 years old woman. So this is the formula of for calculating the calculating the dog age. Means they that means here they are calculating first man age, means human age, then they are calculating the dog age. I think. Am I right or not? Hello.
Guys,
Yes, yes, yes.
please response, yaar.
Yeah, so it will
Actually,
take some
yeah.
time to just unmute your mic, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
So don't unmute. Yeah, you can continue now because here we are doing some kind of discussion.
Mohammed, yes, absolutely right.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. Here we need to do some kind of discussion so that the subject will come into our mind, because this is a very tough.
You are right, Mohammed, but we try to not disturb this session, so maybe someone has some background noise or something else. That's why.
That's why I'm saying that those who are don't have any problems will come. They can unmute and they can talk also, no problem.
Okay.
Yeah, one, two guys, please don't unmute to respond who are the reader. Please respond to the
So
reader now,
Aziz,
because
you can continue.
I continue. Okay, from where? According to the formula.
No. Yes.
Which paragraph?
Yes, yes, according to the formula.
No, this
This
is
is much older.
Okay, so this is much older than would be expected with the 1:7 ratio. I have a 6. This is already finished, Mohammed. I have 6 years. This is already finished.
No, they are not finished.
We are repeating again.
No.
I remember this paragraph.
Aziz, where were you? Where were you from last 10 minutes?
Okay, ma'am.
Where
Sorry.
were you, man? No, I'm just asking humbly. you are not here, or you are not mentally present. Okay, so we are doing it again, of course, because we didn't perceive it when we did it first time. Okay.
I have a 6-year-old dog. She is still children with me, but I am now realized that she not as young as I thought she was. Erika said, "Yeah, this is already finished. Yeah, remember, yeah. This researcher could be important for the Muhammad. This is I finished. Do you are repeating again?
Yeah, we are
anyone can.
repeating today.
Aziz, first of all, we now we are what? First we read. Now we are reading and then we are understanding.
That's I'm from the starting I'm trying to know what the reason of this session. So you are trying to make our reading and the listening are good, huh? This is the meaning of this session, right?
Yes.
So okay,
Reading, listening, and speaking as well.
Speaking, I don't really speaking only maybe 20%. Yeah, the researcher could be important for veterinarians. What is it? I don't know. Who often use the 1:7 ratio to treat dog. The formula is also
Okay. So
okay.
now you can explain these things, what they are saying.
Okay, I need to explain. Okay, so this is a very good have experience by this educator. So this is much older than would be expected, the 1:7 ratio. Yeah, but sometimes they find that the ratio come above the 1:7 ratio. Sometimes it's late, but he already mentioned on the above paragraph that this is not an exact amount. Sometimes it's come up, sometimes it's come down. But he or she, I don't know, this is the name just like a unisex educator, maybe girl, maybe boy. Now you hide the, what are you doing, Mohammed?
Actually, I forgot. Actually, I am searching the meaning of veterinarian.
Okay, nice.
Let me tell you. This is a vet veterinarian.
The
Vet is
veterinary
a doctor. Yeah, doctor for the dogs or for the cats. A doctor for animals.
Pet doctors.
Yeah.
So veterinarian means this is a doctor, means animal doctor.
It's like IITian. It's like IITian. If IITian is a person, it's like a veterinarian is also a person.
I know. This is a doctor for animals, right? Veterinaries. This we call veterinaries in our local language.
We call vet.
Veterinary.
Okay, we call veterinaries. Okay, who are is correct with? okay, now where we are, so, but I'm now realized that, okay, so he trying to be, that he have a 6-year-old dog, which she realized that when she realized, when he attacked her to work with him outside though, but I'm now realized that she is not as a younger as I thought she was. Right. The researcher could be important for the veterinaries who often use 1 to 7. But he trying to say that, at some time the dog was so young, but after some time when he come up to the 10-year, 12-year, yeah, after a 6 year, he already mentioned the age of the dog is 6 year. At that time, he feel like that the dog is now going too old. So that is, yeah, Mohammed. Hope I explained my best.
Yes, Rajendra.
Yes, thank you. Thank you. So it is all about assumption. Earlier they are saying it is a ratio of 1:7, but now it is a changing. So I'm reading next paragraph. This research could be important for veterinarians who often use to 1:7 ratio to treat dogs. Actually, veterinarians are using 1:7 ratio to treat dogs. So this paragraph is about that. Then the formula is also the first that can be used with other species like mice and humans. Edgar said that it could, for example, to be able to measure your genes is to see how it changes while using anti-aging products. So actually, earlier, formula is 1:7. That is also used for other species like mice and humans. And this formula is be able to measure your gene. Actually, this formula is used to measure your gene progress, how it is changing according to time, and age to see how it changes while using anti-aging product. Anti-aging products are they are for reducing the age. I think I don't know exactly anti-aging. So that formula is also used in that 1:7 formula is also used in anti-aging products. I don't know more about what is the anti-aging.
Yeah, I just told that anti-aging products are, you know that most of the old women, this is Pond's aging cream. I even saw this on the Indian channel, this advertisement. So
I think for looking good. I think for looking good.
For looking less in age. For 30 years old women use the products to look young. So anti-aging products are those products, by using them you can look young. Aziz?
Aziz?
Yeah, sorry, yaar. I'm trying to know the pronunciation of Victoria. What is that? I still I'm not.
Nice, nice.
Very nice, very nice.
Veterinarian. Veterinarian. Okay, we will practice this after this session.
Yes. So yeah, who is this? Mansu.
Yeah, yes. So
Mansu, explain this paragraph. Formula and after the 2 lines.
Yeah, 2 lines. Yeah, we didn't get the species. What is the meaning of this? Like mice and humans.
Species, matlab, it's
species like
mice. Mice means mouses. Mouse plural, like mice and humans. Now the article writer is comparing mice with humans, like other species. The formula is also the first that can be used with the other species. And now the formula they are using, they use this formula with the other species too, like mice and humans.
Yes.
Edgar said that it could, for example, be able to measure your genes. Like for this, they are able to measure our genes, age, to see how it changes while using anti-aging products. Like for this formula, they can judge us that how the age sorry, I didn't age to see how it changes while using anti-aging products. Okay, now if the different species used anti-aging products, so how this formula would work on that? Okay, now they, like, if we, in the foreign countries, like we have so many products here for humans, they are so much into dogs and cats, we know that. So there are so many products for them, treatments, blah blah. So they are just trying to say the formula, how the formula of anti-aging products work on the different genes of different species. So okay, so what I perceived here, over here. So if
Uh,
you have something you can add.
yeah, Mansu. Here also he is saying something about more anti-aging product. Mansu, continue.
Okay, the last one. There are a lot of anti-aging products out there these days. Means here are lots of anti-aging products. Means lots of brand are there. So, but how do you know which product is anti-aging?
So he lost.
Okay, I'm
So
going to read
so
it.
yeah, you can read
In
that.
40 years or so.
Okay, there are a
So
lot of
it means
anti-aging. Hello.
Rajiv, continue.
There are a lot of
Continue. Don't.
anti-aging products out there these days, Edgar said. But how do you know if a product will truly extend your life without waiting 40 years or so?
How do you know if a product?
So he's saying that there are a lot of anti-aging products in the market, but uh, how will we know that these products will truly going to extend our life? Uh, so until unless you are 40-year-old, these you using these products will not have much effect on you, right? Until unless you are, if you are 30 or 35 or 40 year young, then it means you are already you are not looking like aged person, like. So I mean, it's anti-aging products will not going to do much for before 40 years. So are you going to wait for 40 years to use anti-aging product? What I'm getting it from here.
Yes.
Yeah, so we'll do some question and answer. So you guys, what are your thoughts on your finding of the study? Yes.
For me today, actually, I was not aware about these kind of rules we have, or these kind of formulas we have. Might be Aziz was already aware about it, but today I got to know that there is some kind of formula that uh, I think the progress we can measure, animals progress we can measure in the human life ratio. Yeah, so it was amazing.
So here actually they are finding here actually in this article they had found some different means they had given formulas for finding the dog age with respect to the human age, and they had given some kind of formula like 1:7 ratio, and some of study they had done some kind of research in different laboratory as well as in different university, and they are searching that 1:7 ratio is not correct, and it wasn't correct because there is anti aging kind of genetic differences is there. That's why it's not good. Yeah.
Yeah, so if it is Muhammad, thank you so much first of all for making me remember my school days. Really, today I feel like that I'm in school and you are my teacher and you're trying
Oh,
to be make understanding our article, right? So yeah, so there are lots of knowledge I gain from this article. Nice, yeah, really. So I feeling right now, yeah, this type of auditing happen, huh? So this is good, yeah, really nice, yeah. Other guys
Okay.
here. No?
Yeah, as far as I am concerned, this article is, uh, matched with my interest, and I was the person who suggested this. And yeah, I learned so much from this article, that how we compare the ages, since the animals, that how we compare them with the human age, their thoughts, their instincts. So yeah, nice article.
Add something here.
Okay. Yeah. So I will start about that question. Question is what are your thoughts on the findings of the study? Actually there are different research going on. They are comparing age of dogs and humans with some ratio. Initially they said that it is a one ratio to 7. But Edgar has a different formula because he thought that after certain age, like after certain age of dog, it is not growing at same ratio as with the man growing. So and same time, because they are researching, because they are making some anti-aging product, and they want to check that that product is also, because they have to do some sampling, do some testing on mice and other animals like dogs. That's why they are comparing their age, and they are using that anti-aging product on these species. That's why they are comparing, and they find that it is always not right that age of dog and human is in certain ratio. It should be vary after certain age. At initial level, it is in maybe in one ratio to 7, but after some time it is not in that ratio. So this is my opinion.
Yeah, anyone can start. Yeah, anyone can start. Noor.
Okay. Do you have a dog? If so, how old he or she is? If not, how your thought about getting one? Okay, I don't have any dog. I just want a dog. Uh, but my parents are not allowed me to have one. I already told you people, because it's permitted in our religion to have a dog at our home with us, but we can have it if we have some separate place. Okay, so that's the reason. But I love dogs, and I whenever I see dog, I know how to handle it, but I never had any dog. That's it. I want a breed that called Labradors are so cute. In this study, they mentioned Labradors, but I like Huskies more. Huskies is a breed from I'm not sure where are Huskies from, but they are wolf and the dog mixture, like female wolf, I guess, and male dog, or male dog or female. I'm not sure about that, but they are the mix of the wolf and the dog. That's interesting, and they are like dogs and the wolf, and beautiful. You can, if you people didn't saw them before, so you can Google it and see that how beautiful they are.